Hey John, Sean Callahan from Glock International. I'm going to show you this on a Rubicon Gladiator because it's the only Rubicon that I've got, but it is the same four-wheel drive system, so it will work exactly the same. So let me go ahead and show you how this works. So as you can see here, you've got your four-wheel drive on the floor. You can go straight back into four-wheel drive high. A little bit harder to do, but it is possible. Pull into four-wheel drive high. And now I'm in four-wheel high. You can go right back up into two-wheel drive, that's not a problem. But if you want to try to go into four-wheel low, I'll show you really quickly how to do it. I'll pull this out, get out of here. First of all, you saw how hard I had to pull to go into four-wheel low or four-wheel high. Now I'm just moving just a few miles an hour. Still in drive, nothing different. Much, much easier to go into four-wheel high. Then I'm going to go up into neutral. Be coasting below 5 mile an hour. Straight back into four-wheel low. Super easy. Now I'm in four-wheel low. And of course, you don't want to get very fast in four-wheel low because it is meant for bulldog gear. So if I want to come back out of four-wheel low, I have to go back into neutral, come right back up, go into neutral there, right on back through. I can go right into, once I'm in neutral there, go right back into two-wheel high, or I can stop in four-wheel high, it doesn't matter. But it is very, very easy when you're moving to go in and out of four-wheel low. It's just simply not hard at all. Let me go ahead and put this back where it was. And then I'll show you what the buttons that you're asking about are. I apologize for the length of the video here, but I want to make sure they get everything correct and show you everything you need to see. So right down here, you've got your lockers, front and rear, or rear only. And what that is it locks your axles so that they will turn at the exact same speed. So you can lock just your rear axles so they will both turn, so that both wheels will turn at the exact same speed, or you can lock your front and rear axles so that all four wheels will turn at the exact same speed. The only time you would want to do either one of these is in four-wheel low. You will want to be going very slowly with it, and in doing so, you don't want to make any sharp turns because it will not allow the inside wheel to travel slower than the outside wheel, which means that if you crank hard on the steering wheel, you're going to do what's called a crow hop, and it's very uncomfortable, not to mention the fact that it can damage the Jeep. So you definitely don't want to do that. And it's pretty easy to use these. You just simply push up, and it'll tell you when you push up that it can't do it because you're not in four-wheel low. Or you push down, rear only. And again, it will tell you the same thing, that you can't do it unless you're in four-wheel low. To turn it off, you just hit the button again. That's all there is to it. Your sway bars, to disconnect sway bar, again, you want to go into four-wheel low or four-wheel high. You do not want to be out on the highway hitting the sway bar. Okay? Off-road plus, unavailable to shift to four-wheel drive. Again, got to be in four-wheel drive to use any of this. The sway bars and the off-road plus allow your wheels to be articulated, and they will be reaching as far down as they can to grab hold of the ground and pull you. It is really used for extreme rock climbing, as well as is the lockers. This stuff down here you're not going to use on any normal terrain. It is going to be extreme terrain. You must be in full wheel low to go into the lockers. You must be at minimum in full wheel high to use the Off-Road Plus and the sway bars. You don't want to be going very fast with either one of those on. Again, off-road, extreme conditions, that's where you're going to want to use that stuff. Normal off-road conditions, regular full wheel high will work. Harder off-road conditions, regular full wheel low. Extreme, you're going to get into this stuff right here. If you have any other questions, let me know. I'll be happy to answer them for you. Thanks a lot. Talk to you later, John.